Calibrating a Minecraft server timeout is essential for ensuring a smooth gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust the timeout settings effectively. Step 1. Access server files. Locate the folder where your Minecraft server files are stored. This is typically where you have installed your server software. You will need to edit the server properties. Step 2. Open server properties. Find the file named server properties in your server folder. Open this file using a text editor like Notepad or any code editor of your choice. Step 3. Adjust timeout settings. Look for the line that specifies the timeout settings. This may be labeled as max tick time or similar. Change the value to your desired timeout duration in milliseconds. For example, setting it to 60,000 will give a timeout of 60 seconds. Step 4. Save changes. After adjusting the timeout settings, save the changes to the server properties file. Ensure that you do not change the file format while saving. Step 5. Restart the server. To apply the new timeout settings, restart your Minecraft server. This can usually be done through a server management interface or by closing and reopening the server application. By following these steps, you can successfully calibrate the timeout settings for your Minecraft server, enhancing the gameplay experience for all players.